Welcome to this guide on using EveryDollar savings goals, a powerful tool to help you achieve financial stability and success. EveryDollar is a budgeting app that allows you to track your income and expenses and set savings goals to work towards your financial objectives. First, let's discuss why savings goals are important. Having a clear idea of what you want to save for helps you stay motivated and focused on your financial priorities. Whether it's a short-term goal, such as saving for a vacation, or a long-term goal, like a down payment on a house, having a plan in place is crucial. To get started with EveryDollar savings goals, you'll need to create an account and set up your budget. This involves tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of your financial situation. Once you have a budget in place, you can start setting savings goals. EveryDollar allows you to create multiple savings goals, each with its own target amount and deadline. For example, let's say you want to save for a vacation that costs $1,000 and you want to go in 6 months. You can create a savings goal in EveryDollar with a target amount of $1,000 and a deadline of 6 months. EveryDollar will then calculate how much you need to save each month to reach your goal. Using EveryDollar savings goals has several benefits. It helps you prioritize your spending, ensuring that you're allocating your money towards your most important financial objectives. It also helps you stay on track by providing a clear plan and reminders to help you reach your goals. Additionally, seeing your progress towards your goals can be a great motivator, helping you stay committed to your financial plan. Best practices for using EveryDollar savings goals include setting specific, measurable, and achievable goals. This means making sure your goals are clear and that you have a realistic plan in place to achieve them. It's also important to regularly review and adjust your savings goals, as your financial priorities may change over time. In conclusion, using EveryDollar savings goals is a great way to take control of your finances and achieve your financial objectives. By setting clear goals and creating a plan to achieve them, you can ensure that you're making progress towards your financial priorities. Remember to stay committed, regularly review your progress, and make adjustments as needed to stay on track. With EveryDollar savings goals, you can achieve financial stability and success.